facing the worst, finding the best. A fear setting workshop. Define, prevent, repair. Action, define, prevent, and repair. So what are we defining? So in this action, let's say I take the bold step. Let's say I take this decision. I speak English in front of a customer. What is the worst that could happen? I mess up. They don't understand what I'm saying. I embarrass myself.
Biggest fear is move to my hometown to Hyderabad. Prevent is clarify the me and my husband clarify them to reason. Repair is keep communication and involve in every situation. Or I went to village for festival like that.
First one is taking decisions in our life. So it is my biggest fear. Prevent means, and we can looking someone's how they are handling the situations in that my age, and
fear of conveying client that this is not under scope like what we agreed to do. How to prevent is like initially while planning itself I have to do it in a better way, saying that this is what we plan. Repair is like even though definitely it's going to happen, so I have to have some document to saying that this is what we planned, we can do this in next phase. So in a better way I'm planning to do, I have to manage that part.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you.